WhatsApp. When I click on WhatsApp, it gives me an error. The code execution cannot proceed because ffmpeg.dll was not found. Reinstalling the program may fix this problem. There is a file here. This file is missing or maybe deleted or got an error and is not working. Now, how to fix the problem?
Muradi tutorial. Transforming experience, presenting opportunities.
Ways to solve the WhatsApp issues. Option number 1, uninstall WhatsApp completely and reinstall it. Okay, let's do it. If you see, it clearly says that you have to reinstall WhatsApp, uninstall and reinstall. Before we proceed, you have to remember that we have two kinds of uninstallation. I will show you the two kinds of uninstallation. One is from the control panel and the other one is also the control panel and the folder where WhatsApp files are stored and are not uninstalled with the uninstallation procedure from the control panel. Okay, let me show you one by one. Go to Start Search, type control panel, click on uninstall a program, right click and uninstall. It's gone. I have already downloaded the WhatsApp setup. If you don't have the setup of WhatsApp, you go to any browser and download it. WhatsApp for Windows PC, I choose this one. See, go to download. This site is the official site of WhatsApp. From here you can download it. Then you click on download for Windows, so it will be downloaded. So I have already downloaded it, so I cancel it, close this. I go here. This is the setup I have downloaded before. Click on run. When you see this logo and your WhatsApp is opening within a number you have already used or your number has already been activated, it means your WhatsApp was not completely uninstalled. When you reinstall your computer, you will see the same system error when you open WhatsApp. So we came to a point, before we reinstall the WhatsApp, we have to completely uninstall WhatsApp. How to uninstall WhatsApp completely? We don't have to uninstall WhatsApp from the control panel only. Now let me show you some steps to completely uninstall WhatsApp. First, let's go to restart my computer and let's see if my claim is true. My computer is restarted. Now let's open WhatsApp. You see the same system error is showing for me. It means my WhatsApp was not completely uninstalled. To completely uninstall WhatsApp, you go to Start Search and right control panel. Click on uninstall a program. Come down. Uninstall WhatsApp from control panel. It's done. From here I also unpin it from the taskbar. This is step 1. Step 2, go to this PC, C drive, username. From here you should see app data. If you do not see, go to views and put a tick mark here, hidden items. Click on app data, open roaming folder, delete the WhatsApp folder from here. Go back, open local folder, scroll down, delete the WhatsApp folder from here too. So once you're done, close it. You go to the setup. This is the setup. I install it. Click on run. Now you see, before we installed the WhatsApp, this page was not coming. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone. This page is coming when you install WhatsApp for the first time. If this page is not coming while you are installing WhatsApp, it means you did not uninstall WhatsApp completely. Now you can do the same procedure when you started WhatsApp on your PC for the first time. Open WhatsApp, here tap menu, settings and link devices. Yeah, I'm done. Let's close it and restart computer. Let's see if it works. Let's go to restart my computer. Okay guys, my computer has been restarted. Now let's check the WhatsApp if it is working. You see guys, there is not any system errors. It's working for me. Yes. Option number 2, uninstall WhatsApp or install it from Microsoft Store. If the first option is not working for you, the second option will 100% work for you. Okay, let's do it. The last option for resolving this issue is you have to download WhatsApp from Microsoft Store. Go to search bar, write Store, click on Microsoft Store. On the search, write down WhatsApp. So you own this app. If it is not showing for you, there will be an option get it. You click on get it, it will be downloaded, then it will show like this, install. Click on install. Once installation done, click on launch. You see guys, I have 2 WhatsApp now. That's it guys. If you have any questions, comments or any video idea, please write down in the comment section of this video. I will answer your questions, appreciate your comments or create a video for you. If you're new and like similar videos in the future, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.